Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's video is requested by Afra Nawar. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. So welcome to another swatch and review video. And it's Miniso's water-based nail polishes. First shade I'm swatching is called Peach. As these nail polishes are water-based, I won't be applying any kinds of base coat. And here's the second coat. Peach has a clear base with two different sizes of iridescent glitters and heart glitters. Second shade to swatch is called Golden. And here's the second coat. Golden has a clear base with gold and white fine glitters and red violet glitters. And the last shade to swatch is called Bright Stars. And here's the second coat. Bright Stars has a jelly purple base with silver shards and holographic glitters. Here are all of my picture swatches. So now, let me show you guys how this nail polish peels off after 2 days of application. And I didn't apply any top coat for this one. As you can see, it does peel off, but it doesn't peel off as a whole. So I painted the shades to all of my nails and I let them to completely dry, and then I applied my favorite top coat. After 2 days, let's try peeling them off. Well, it peels off a bit better now than without the top coat, but it still doesn't peel off as a whole piece unlike my other peelies. Water-based nail polish by Miniso is odorless. It may have a thicker consistency than a regular nail polish. You must let the first coat to dry completely before applying another. Once it's dry, it doesn't wash off easily with water. That's why you have to somehow peel it off to be removed. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Never forget to follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!